going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Micah Diaz, and this is
Corey Hosford.
That's right, and we're coming to you live from Pontiac, Michigan, here at the Roadkill Nights event.
This is probably the biggest event that we'll ever probably be part of in our entire life.
This is the biggest team I've been a part of, not to mention a factory-backed drift team, along with the XComp boys. Thank you guys, first of all, for watching the channel. We hope that you guys would like and subscribe if you haven't already. Today, we're going through the cars. I'm going to go through the coupe, and Hosford,
we're going through the four-door.
All right, so to give you a quick rundown on what these cars are, these are brand new 2026 Dodge Chargers. These got the 6-packs in them, aka the Hurricanes, the 3.0s. But we've done quite a few modifications. And when I say we, I mean Suppy and the boys. We had Suppy's Garage help out, we had the XComp crew help out, we had the Holdfast crew help out, and tons of partners as well on the outside get involved so that we can get this done in time for Roadkill Nights.
Literally took a bone stock, never really developed like this.
Not at all
in
developed.
60 days. And this is from front to back, from angle kit, the thermostat, the turbos, the manifolds, every front and rear has been completely touched. So we had a challenge of 60 days to get these things to perform out here at Roadkill, and then Laguna Seca in just a few weeks.
Yeah, we're gonna be driving on the big boy track. First up, we got the 2-door. Now, this car is, again, very special because nothing was developed, and we developed a ton of parts around this car. Not just the actual coilovers and mounting brackets that needed to be created to get this whole suspension to operate on here, but also these cars naturally come all-wheel drive from the factory. And so in order to turn them into drift cars, there's buttons and things you can do from the factory, but if we get involved in something, we're gonna do it legit. So we removed the complete front end as far as the axles are concerned. We hit up our boys over at FDF. Josiah came up with an entire angle kit from scratch in the matter of, I don't even think it was 4 days. So we got the FDF kit with the QA1 coilovers on there as well. As far as the wheel package goes on these cars, both cars are equipped with American racing wheels. We got 20s, we're dubbing out here. And we got the XComp HP on the car, something that we've proven, we've tested. So when it came to, hey, what tire are we gonna run on the car? Duh, the XComp. So the HP's on here. We got the upgraded brakes on this as well. The exterior of the car is fairly stock. There is no real modifications beside a little bit of Brodozer bumper cut, a little bit of headlight delete that we got going on, a rear hatch delete, stuff like that. But when we come to the interior, this is where you really get to see a lot of the modifications that happen to the car. So first off, when we were thinking about our seats as well, Corey and I work really close with the boys over at PRP, and so they set us up with these super nasty Alpha seats, but we got some customization done to them. We got the honeycomb for the Dodge, and we also got big fat Dodge logos on them too. So those are really cool. We got some protection, good protection. We had to throw in the Holdfast steering wheel. That's my company, if you guys don't know. Go buy a steering wheel. But we get into the transmission. Now, when these Dodge come from the factory, they don't have any stick shift models yet. But for now, we end up throwing a tilt and pedal assembly in it and throwing in a GSR G-Force 4-speed dog box, along with a hydraulic handbrake, rear mounted radiator, and then one of the coolest parts, especially as we mentioned we're going to Laguna Seca, this Bulldog quick change differential. Now this is going to help us because if you don't know, we can swap the gearing fairly fast, find a new wheel spin speed, make the car faster, make the car slower, speed the wheels up, slow them down, all within the matter of 2 minutes. As you can see, the rear hatch has been all cut out. The boys set this up so that it vents off a bunch of that hot air. It'll be pulling from the cabin, from the quarter windows, and exhausting that hot air out the back. But let's get into the business side of this, okay? Because I think this is what all of you guys want to see. The question comes up as to, what'd you guys do to the engine? We did a lot. We also did nothing, meaning that the engine is actually factory sealed, but what we added on here was some Aeromotive fuel pumps to give this thing the right amount of fuel that it needs to push it to the levels we want it to, along with a Turbo Smart dual wastegate system and a Turbo Smart turbo. We also have a custom intake manifold. So again, very underdeveloped engine as far as the aftermarket support. So much has gone into these cars, but this one's pretty rad. I think you're gonna like what Haas has going on in the 4-door.
So the idea was have a copy paste, take what Micah does, let's double it. So not only did we take the 2-door, we turned it into a 4-door. So this is what we call the Rapid People Mover. This thing will have 4 PRP seats in it. So when we give ride-alongs across the states, across the country, we can load this thing up and give the best rides that we can in the new Dodge. The other big thing about this that we want to do as we were doubling the doors, doubling the passengers, Micah, let's just go right to it.
Yeah, let's just show them.
Let's just show them. We had to, of course, double the turbos. So the biggest change that we did on this is obviously we had to change the turbo manifold to support the T4 divided twin Turbo Smart turbochargers. We're running a 0.66 hot side on both of these, which gives it a really rapid response when you're just getting into boost. We have the similar intake manifold, intercooler, charge piping. We just wanted to add dual spoolie boys, and of course, we have to have the dumps going right at the windshield, right at our face.
I'm so jealous of that.
At rev limiter.
I wanted it on my car, and they gave it to you.
Sealed T6 Hurricane. We're projecting about 800 horsepower running off of that Motec. Direct injection, that was the other thing that we've been working on, is making sure we get the direct injection function correctly. These things are truly turning into proper party cars. So when we hit the track, make the adjustments we need, and then get down.
It's going to be good. So listen, if you come to Laguna Seca, you see us out there, we're going to figure out a way in a system to do ride-alongs for your car and my car. When we get there, come find us. We'll tell you how you can get involved, how you can get a ride-along. We'll see you guys there. Otherwise, I mean, hell of a feat to get here.
Do you know what? It's taken a long time to get here. We're all here.
We're here, baby.
Team did it, baby.
Let's get. That was a weird hand grab at the end. Like,
my name is Corey Rodriguez.
oh, a huge shout out to this guy.
This guy right here.
This here is bag number 1, and he drives with boost bag number 2.
That's right, we're a team.
They call him Bigfoot.
They call us D2
because he's got a small penis. They got Bigfoot.
I gotta say, and I want to say this on camera. This whole thing doesn't come together without this dude right here.
Without Biggerfoot.
Mr. JK.
Mr. JK.
JK himself. If it wasn't for JK, dude, we wouldn't be here. So huge thank you.
You'd be home with your family.
In my bed.
Life. Yeah.
My AC, probably some Netflix.
Yeah, bullshit. You'd be home working your ass off. If not, you'd be watching the kid. You're thrilled to be here. You should be paying me.
Roadkill Nights, Pontiac, Michigan. Here we are. Let's send it, boys.